how to fix TikTok glitch on Android phone. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to fix TikTok glitch easy and quick on Android phone. First open settings and then go to apps and go to TikTok, and now go to storage, and here we'll find TikTok. Just click clear cache and then go to permissions and enable all of those here, calendar and contacts and location, allow it, and now just go to storage. If that doesn't fix your problem, just go to storage and click clear data and try again, and your problem will be fixed. And that's it for today's video. Don't forget like and don't forget subscribe, and thank you for watching this video until the end, and see you in the next video.